So subordinating conjunction. There are two sentences. Obviously, conjunction का क्या काम है? To join two sentences or two parts of the sentence. So it also joins two parts, but one is independent and second is dependent. Okay, one is independent and second is dependent. For example, you can stay back if your teacher wants. So pick out the conjunction and pick out two parts of the sentence जिसको conjunction है join किए. Check. Check which two parts of the sentence are joined by conjunction. Pick out the conjunction, please.
If.
Yes, repeat it.
If.
If is the conjunction. Okay. So if is the conjunction, first part is you can stay back and second part is your teacher wants. So you can simply say, you can simply notice that this is making complete sense. You can stay back, full stop. So this is making sense कि आप आज रुक सकते हो, right? Your teacher wants, this is kind of incomplete sentence. ठीक है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि information is not complete. ठीक है, so this one is your independent sentence, okay, and this is your dependent part. So first one is your independent part of the sentence and second one is the dependent part. और इसको हम grammar की language में क्या कहते हैं? This is first clause, this is second clause. Clause क्या होता है? Group of words, ठीक है, having one subject and predicate. See, here is one subject and one predicate. Here also, your teacher is the subject and wants is the predicate. So ये clauses होते हैं, ठीक है? This is dependent clause, this is independent clause, ठीक है? So dependent clause को क्या बोलते हैं? Subordinate clause. That's why this conjunction is called subordinating conjunction. It joins two clauses. One is independent and second is dependent. Is it clear all? So this is subordinating conjunction. You can stay back. अगर आपको ये दिया होता, you can stay back or you can go home. Now, can you tell me which are the two clauses here? Please raise your hand. यहाँ पे दो parts कौन से हैं? Please let me know. Yes, Harmeet. Harmeet, if you can hear me, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me the two
Ma'am,
parts. Or is the conjunction. It is joining which two parts?
ma'am, you can stay back and you can go home.
You can stay back is the first clause. You can go home is the second clause. You can stay back is making complete sense. You can go home. ये भी complete sense बना रहा है. When two independent sentences are there, then this is called coordinating conjunction जो हमने कल की थी. Coordinating conjunction. So सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे एग्जाम में भी? This can come in exam also that tell whether it is coordinating or subordinating. So you are supposed to find out conjunction first. पहले आप conjunction find out करोगे. Then you will read the first sentence. Then you will read the second part. If you think that second is not making much sense or first is not making much sense, एक independent और एक dependent है, then that will be subordinating conjunction. अगर दोनों independent है, then that will be coordinating conjunction. Is it clear? Please show me heart emoji if this concept is clear to you. Otherwise, I'll just repeat. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. So for the last time, I'm going to repeat this concept. Please, those who have just joined the meeting, they can just listen to me. For the last time, we are doing beta subordinate conjunction, subordinating conjunction. इसमें एक part independent होता है, it is making sense, complete sense, and one part is dependent. It doesn't make sense on its own. One is independent, one is dependent. So that conjunction is called subordinating conjunction. Coordinating में दोनों independent होते हैं. Remember, you can stay back is independent. You can go home, ये भी independent है. Both are making complete sense. So this is coordinating. But here, one is independent, one is dependent. Is it clear all? Okay. Now there is one box with a subordinating conjunction on page 109. Most of the conjunctions are normal conjunctions that you use day to day in your day to day life, but there are some conjunctions like less. ठीक है, ऐसे की 2-3 conjunctions दी हुई हैं which are new for you. So I'm going to write the meaning of that conjunction. You can underline it on book and write down the meaning, please. There is one box there, subordinating conjunction. It's on page 109. Page 109. So in the first box, it is written time. It tells us time. I shall not speak to her till I know the truth. I shall not speak to her. This is a complete sentence. Okay, I know the truth. This is actually not the true sentence, actually not the complete sentence. I know the truth. Which truth I am talking about? It's not complete. It is dependent on the first sentence. Okay, so this is subordinating conjunction. अब second वाले box में बेटा एक lest word लिखा हुआ है. You can underline it. The meaning of lest is to avoid the risk of. To avoid the risk of. So the meaning of lest is to avoid the risk of, or if you have any intention, आपके मन में कुछ पहले से चल रहा है, you have some intention. Intention is your planning. Now read the sentence of lest, please. Write this down, lest you should forget. To avoid the risk of forgetting, you should note down the meaning of lest. ये अभी नोट कर लो. Sometimes जब हमारे ATM pins होते हैं, कुछ भी होता है, we just try to note it down, ठीक है? So that we cannot forget that thing. So उसमें हम lest बोल सकते हैं. Write it down, lest you should forget it. और lest के साथ most of the time should आता है. अब एग्जाम में भी आ सकता है. should को देखकर आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा that lest can be the answer. Not always, but most of the time we use should with lest. ठीक है? Now please ask your question, then I'll tell you the next meaning. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Archie.
मैम मेरी क्लास ना थोड़ी लेट ज्वाइन हुई थी, तो मैम सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस का मैम एक बारी मैंने मीनिंग कंफर्म करना था.
Can you speak?
मैम उनका यस मैम उनका मीनिंग यही है कि उसमें 2 सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, जो वन इंडिपेंडेंट होता है और वन डिपेंडेंट.
Yes, exactly. उसमें 2 clauses होते हैं. clause भी sentence जैसे ही होता है. उसमें subject होता है predicate. One is dependent clause and second is independent clause. ठीक है? Coordinating में दोनों independent होते हैं. Only this much I think I have told the students. ठीक है? Okay, next one.
Okay.
No doubt everyone. So please note down the meaning of lest to avoid the risk of. And it is generally used with should. There is one more conjunction which is not given here, but in exercise that conjunction is given. So please note down. एक extra box बना लो, वहाँ पे लिख दो. ये side पे कहीं पे भी लिख दो. That is no sooner than dash dash something will be there in between. उसके बाद आप than लिखो. No sooner dash 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 than. और no sooner के साथ 99.9% past tense is used. Past tense is used. No sooner dash 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 that. I'm giving you 1 minute. Use your Google or anything and find out 1 sentence or 2 sentences of no sooner than. Hurry up, please. I'm giving you 1 minute and raise your hand as soon as you find it.
Then I fell asleep.
Okay बेटा, okay, correct. शुभ, अब आप सारे
Yes, ma'am.
everyone will
Ma'am.
observe the common things जो सारे sentences में आई है. Then you will realize
No, soon,
क्या होता है. Yes बेटा.
no sooner had she finished one project than she started the next.
Okay, correct one. Suhani.
Ma'am, no sooner had they started their walk than it started to rain.
Okay, exactly. So can you tell me, or others beta, you don't know how to use Google? I can't believe this thing that you don't know how to use Google. Only these 7-8 students I think know how to use it, right? Then in exam you will get I think full marks or maybe 45, 46. How then? Okay, Karthik. Karthik, what is the common thing between all the sentences that you have?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think the common thing is in all the sentences, had word is used, and in all the sentences, there is past tense.
Exactly, exactly. Well done. Yes, Gaurav?
Yes, ma'am. In all sentences, than is also used and no sooner is also used.
No sooner plus had is there. Okay. So what is the meaning of this conjunction? No sooner had I started, then the rain started, okay, or started pouring. This means this tell two actions immediately, one after another. Okay. So first action, उसके बाद ही क्या हुआ immediately? Second action. You can write in your books like this only so that you will remember during exam also. So two actions that happen after one another, ठीक है, just simultaneously, एक के बाद एक लगातार, ठीक है, and had is used. No sooner के साथ please write down had. No sooner plus had, okay? No sooner plus had. First action, immediately after first action, there is second action. Okay. No sooner had she read the letter than she started crying. Letter पढ़ने की immediately बाद she started crying. Okay. So I hope this conjunction is clear. When you read so many example of one particular conjunction, आपके brain को अपने आप ही पता लगना शुरू हो जाता है कि what is common thing and what is the sentence structure actually. So best way to do grammar, ठीक है, अगर आपको ग्रामर में प्रॉब्लम है then read as many examples as you can. You have such a vast resource with you, ठीक है, गूगल पे इतना कुछ है कि अगर हम उसको प्रोडक्टिवली यूज करें तो आई थिंक we will be able to do each and everything, each topic. ठीक है. Yes, please बेटा ask your doubt, then I'll move to next one.
Yes, ma'am. मैम जो ये no sooner conjunction है, ये subordinating conjunction के अंडर है या ये new conjunction है?
बेटा ये सबऑर्डिनेटिंग के अंदर है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So I'm moving to, let me see, यहाँ पे और कुछ है. Before, after, as soon as, since, for, you actually know. Still मैं आपको एक बार दोबारा बता देती हूँ. Is there anyone who is willing to tell me the difference between since and for? Okay, that will we'll discuss in preposition. Only since in conjunction since was. Conjunction में since क्या होता है? Anyone? Amarjot, what is since in conjunction? Since for actually preposition होता है. No? Since is same as because. As. Since. They all are same. ठीक है? Or lest, I think I have already told you, unless you know already. It's a negative word, it will not पहले से include होता है. You will not pass unless you work hard. जब तक आप work hard नहीं करोगे, नहीं word is already given in this. Unless. We are not supposed to write not extra क्योंकि unless में पहले से not आ जाता है. ठीक है? Next one is, I think that's it. Okay, next please, page number 110. B exercise is there. You will underline the conjunction and then you will tell me that whether it is coordinating or subordinating. Okay. There are 15 sentences. First of all, please do 8 sentences. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Pick out conjunction and tell whether it is coordinating or subordinating. Hurry up, please. And sentences बोल के देखना. If you think that the first sentence second पे dependent है, then that will be subordinating for sure. I'm giving you 1 minute and your time starts now. Okay. So dash 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 that subordinate. Okay, next one. Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am. I'm yet coordinating.
I told you that was late coordinating. Next, beta. Who's there next? Devang, next please.
While subordinating.
Make hay while the sun shines. Make hay. Okay. Now, if you are ready with the next one also, you can raise your hand side by side. I'm going to lower it for 1 minute. Okay, I'm waiting. Raise your hand side by side, then I'll give you chance. Yes, just Jasveer. Number 9.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for coordinating.
Yes, 4 is coordinating. Number 10, Madhav.
Ma'am, yet coordinating.
Yes. Yet coordinating. Next one, Devang again, 11, Harmeet, 12.
As well as subordinating.
As well as, let me read the sentence. Pallavi as well as Gaurav voted for me. बेटा ये 2 sentences को मिला के बनी है. Pallavi voted for me, full stop, Gaurav voted for me. So क्या आएगा बेटा? Think about it again. Always try to separate the sentences. Yes, Devang. Pallavi voted for me, full stop, Gaurav voted for me. Are they independent?
No, they are dependent on each other.
Pallavi voted for me, full stop. Is it making whole sense?
No, ma'am.
Pallavi voted for me is not making any sense. Devang voted for me. ये सेंस बना रहा है या नहीं बना रहा सेंटेंस?
हम बना रहा है.
ओके, एक और सेंटेंस लाते हैं. माधव voted for me. Is it making sense?
Yes, Madhav voted for me and Devang voted for me.
Both the sentences are making sense. हमने सिर्फ उसको ज्वाइन कर दिया दोनों सेंटेंसेस को by using as well as. So both were independent और हमने उसको ज्वाइन किया as well as. ठीक है? So this is your coordinating conjunction. Okay, next one, Harmeet, 12.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, or coordinating.
Yes. आप किसी से ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हो, is it a boy? Then second question is it a girl? Then we joined these 2 independent sentences and we used or. Try to separate the sentences, please. आप पहले imagine करो हमने कौन से 2 sentences को club किया होगा. Then you will be able to tell me answer. Yes, Karthik, 13.
Yes, ma'am. I have neither the time nor the inclination to listen to your gossip, ma'am. Neither nor coordinating conjunction.
Can you speak up 2 sentences separately, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, I have neither the time.
I have no time. Okay, I have no time.
Okay, ma'am. I have no time.
And then I have no
And ma'am.
inclination means liking, attraction. I have no inclination to listen to your gossip. So यहाँ पे 2 sentences थे. I have no time
Yes,
to
ma'am.
listen to your gossip. Second is I have no even interest also. ठीक है? to listen to your gossip. So we joined these two sentences. Your answer was correct. I was just explaining the way to others that how to decide whether it is coordinating. उसको अलग-अलग करके देखो, full stop लगा. Okay. Next one, please. Gaurish. Number 14. Can you hear me, Gaurish? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think so. If subordinating conjunction,
Okay, speak up the sentences बेटा अलग-अलग करके.
ma'am, we had asked for help, we would surely have received it.
We had asked for help. Full stop. हमने किसी से help मांगी. It is making complete sense. Second sentence.
We would surely have received it.
We would surely have received it. यहाँ पे it क्या चीज है? Can you tell me? अगर मैं सिर्फ आपको एक ही sentence दे दूँ, आप समझ पाओगे कि it क्या?
Ma'am, it helped.
Yes, वो आपको तभी पता है क्योंकि आपको first sentence दिया हुआ है ना? अगर first sentence
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं दिया होता, then it का समझ ही नहीं आना था कि ये कौन सी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं. That means they are dependent. Second वाला first पे dependent है, so that's why it is called subordinating conjunction. Okay. Last one, please. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am.
Better last one. Okay, Jasmine, please.
मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट कर दिया.
Yes, ma'am.
आप दोनों में से कोई भी बता दो.
Ma'am, so and that's coordinating.
So that I didn't hear your answer. It's subordinating. So this is the end of the exercise. Now please move to next exercise. C exercise. How much time we have? 1 minute only. So C exercise we can do 5. First 5. Hurry up, please. And please lower your hand if you are not having any kind of doubt. I'm unmuting 3-4 students. If you have doubt, then please let me know. Otherwise, you can start.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am lower कर रहा था ma'am.
नो मैम.
Exercise C, we don't have much time. Please hurry up. And I'm not going to send answer key because if we are doing it in detail in class, then there is no reason to send answer key. Exercise C, only first 5. Hurry up. Shall I start? Okay, Sabya, please first one. Every religion teacher. Yes, yes.
हम जो एक्सरसाइज दी है उसका जो 11th है वो एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दो. वो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कैसे होगा?
11th बेटा.
यस मैम 11th. पल्लवी एज वेल एज गौरव वांटेड.
करो हमने कौन से 2 सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन किया एज वेल एज से. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या होगा? पल्लवी वोटेड फॉर मी. ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. सेकंड होगा गौरव वोटेड फॉर मी. ये 2 सेंटेंसेस दिए होंगे एंड वी थॉट कि यहाँ पे रेपिटेशन हो रही है इसलिए हमने उसको एज वेल एज लिख दिया. पल्लवी एज वेल एज गौरव. एज वेल एज क्या होता है? एंड. ठीक है, तो पल्लवी एंड गौरव वोटेड फॉर मी. सो 2 इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंसेस को हमने मिला दी. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
ओके मैम.
Okay.
यस मैम.
So beta, we don't have time, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll end up this topic. B, C and D exercise we'll do tomorrow. Okay? So take care. I'm just leaving the meeting now. Bye.